Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining into the third episode of my indie game devlog series. And hey, I finally came up with a name for this game. Guess what it is? You're wrong. Why would I name it GTA 74, huh? Makes no sense. It's named Falling Form. It's not the best, I know, trust me, I came up with many more names, but all of them were taken already, such as Fall Ball, Falling Ball, Shapes, Fall and all were taken already. I also tried making a name off of those names from different languages, but no.
Tosi balla.
Anyway, Falling Form as it is. So, continuing with the devlog. Okay, now I needed to have random shapes fall from the sky. And so this script shall help, letting me assign positions and objects to spawn from those positions. So I mark those positions and create few basic shapes and prefab them and assign them to the script. And it was working fine. Also made a little change to the game plan. So now, instead of the objects falling straight on top of the rectangular thing, it will now fall a bit forward, right between the controller sphere and the rectangular thing. As to why I choose to do this is so that the objects don't keep rotating the rectangular thing constantly. And now, every time say a cube passes right in front of the hollow cube in the rectangle, as per plan, the cube should be sucked in and you win a point. Now, as I was working on it, I faced a lot of difficulties, as sometimes it would start spawning in different positions, sometimes in different sizes. But hey, that's just the life of a honest game developer. Sometimes you just get different sizes, what can I say? Then, I take a moment to improvise the placement of everything. And I also give it this random thing in the bottom for some aesthetic purposes. And you can clearly see how it turned out. I then give colors to the hollow shapes and then gave the same colors to the prefab shapes to make it more clear for the players. And only after that do I add triggers to the hollow shapes. So, every time a shape comes in front of the hollow shape of the same shape, the triggerer will notice that and suck it in and give you a point. You need an explanation for everything, don't you? It wasn't that tough to implement that system. Or was it? I gave the trigger object and the spawned object prefab of the similar shape the same tags. And so every time the trigger came in contact to an object of the same tag as to itself, it would do what all is necessary, such as, suck it in and give you points. Right now, it doesn't give any points, but instead only prints out. But yeah, I was quite happy with the progress. But now, everything was piling up. So time for some cleaning, people. So I add this flat cube that has attached to it a script that will destroy any object that touches it. Also give it a black color, like a black hole, or as in like a void entrance look, you know, which if you touch you disappear, but anyway it won't be visible in the game. So now the final thing I plan to do for this devlog is to add a basic placeholder type score counter. So I do that and now it shows the score. For some reason it's giving 2 points on each success, but that I'll fix later. But yeah, other than that I think it's working fine. And so I think it's enough for this episode of me making a cool ass game and documenting it to a mass audience. And with that, thanks for watching. Like it if you like, but if you watched this video, that's enough honestly. Alright then, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.